Hi there. I'm now going to show you how to manually receipt in a transfer. On your transfers screen, select a transfer that is sent to your store and the status of the transfer should say waiting for delivery. You can double click on the transfer or click receipt. Select the item and below you may physically counting the items and enter in the units here. If there is a discrepancy in the transfer and there's only 4 units that you've receipted in a certain size, you may enter in the units, click complete, okay, and a message will appear. Are you sure you want to sign this transfer off? Because you will not be able to make any changes to this transfer. Yes? A message will appear. This transfer has some discrepancies. Are you sure this transfer is complete? Note that this transfer will be marked with a discrepancy. You can click the box and click yes. It says your transfer was receipted with a discrepancy. Okay. Notice the transfer is now highlighted in red and it says receipted with discrepancy. I'm now going to receipt in another transfer without a discrepancy. Select a transfer, double click on the transfer, select the item, enter in the units that you've counted, click complete, okay, message appears. Are you sure you want to sign this transfer off? Because you will not be able to make any changes to this transfer. Click yes. It says this transfer has no discrepancies. Are you sure this transfer is complete? Transfer was receipted successfully. Notice the status of the transfer is now changed to receipted. And that is how you would manually receipt in a transfer. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.